Alright, so Lucy's never had a banana yet. What are you going to do for a banana? Huh? Let's test and see. Why are you going across? Okay, Lucy. Ready? We just got a slice of banana. Smell it. Smell it. No, not up. Smell it. Oh my God, smell it. Oh, you licked it. Okay, ready? Turn around. Turn around. Good. Now, stay. 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 Good girl. Oh, she dropped it. It's on the floor. It's on the floor. It's on the floor. Here. Are you liking that banana? How is it? Is it delicious? Huh? Is it delicious? Oh, she's turning around. She's like, more, more. Keep turning around. Maybe you'll get more. Look at that foam. Man. Okay. Well, the best part about that is she thinks turning around will give her some more snacks. And she doesn't realize is that I have prepped dinner for her with chopped up banana. Alright, Lucy. Time for dinner. Say bye. Say bye. Yes.